Hello friends, welcome to AIMS India. In this session, we are going to discuss about Junior Olympiad program, which we have given for the students of first class to 10th class. And this Junior Olympiad program mainly intended to help the students in cracking all competitive examinations held at school level, as a state, national level as well as state level. So we can say these Junior Olympiad books will be helpful to the students as resource books to come participate in the all kinds of competitive examinations at school level. Now let us see how this program is designed and how AIMS team going to be in coordination with the teachers who are handling this program at school level. First of all, in this Junior Olympiad program, we have covered two subjects, maths and sciences. Sciences includes here physics, chemistry as well as biology. So as we told, these Olympiad books are mainly intended to prepare the students for competitive examinations held at school level. So Olympiad topics are selected from maths and sciences. And even these books are preferable for all kinds of competitive examinations as we have covered Olympiad topics in this. Next, we have given practice for all the chapters for Olympiad topics. Instead of giving directly the practice, we have given important points regarding the chapter. Even though those chapters are covered in the regular syllabus, we have given before practicing here important points from every chapter. And in the practice sheet also, we have covered three levels of questions: simple and difficult and thought-provoking questions. And at the end of every subject, previous contest questions also we have tried to cover. And for teachers, we have given complete key and solutions for these Olympiad chapters. So for every bit given in the practice sheet, key is given, and wherever it is necessary, complete solution also is given. See here, first it is given key. If it is a direct bit, means like theoretical bit or any logical question, directly key is given, and wherever it is necessary, complete solution also given for every bit. And along with that, we have provided examination schedules also. Means how many examinations we are going to conduct. Those we call as here mock tests, practice examinations, which we conduct chapter wise. So for those all examinations, we have mentioned here examination schedule. How many exams we are going to conduct, on which syllabus it is being conducted. For example, if you see for first class, test 1, math syllabus is numbers and science syllabus is living and non-living things. If once this teaching of these two chapters, if it is done, immediately we can conduct examination. In that way, for all the examinations we have mentioned here, examination schedules for all classes. Like you can see here ninth class also, for example. So around 12 examinations we are going to conduct in the Junior Olympiad program for ninth class. So for all the classes, syllabus is mentioned here. Along with that, we are going to provide, as per the schedule, printed question papers and OMR sheets will be provided to the schools for all the students who enrolled for this program. So OMR sheets will be sent like this. In the OMR sheet, if we observe here, there is a column for students to fill up first before answering their question paper. That is a roll number column. There is a space for 10 digits. For every child, first of all, we will generate one 10-digit ID. We will provide to the schools. The same 10-digit ID given at the starting should be used for the all examinations what we are going to conduct. It should not be changed. Suppose if they had a 10-digit ID, first of all, with the black ballpoint pen, the same number they have to bubble in the boxes given down there. For example, if they write here 9, down to the box here there will be 9 circle, they have to circle this completely. Like this, they have to do it. So, whatever they circle here in these rounds only will be considered by the OMR scanner. Whatever they write here, their name, classes, and numbers, and these all. Just these all are only for our reference. Only the bubbling will be taken by the OMR scanner. So, we have to instruct the students to do this bubbling very carefully. So whatever the number they're writing here in the square box, the same number should be bubbled down to that in the circle also. So we have to instruct the students very carefully to do it. And in the examination time also, first let us distribute the OMR sheet before giving the question paper with proper time, with 5 minutes at least. Then let us ask them to write their 10-digit ID in these boxes with the black ballpoint pen. And then the same number they have to bubble in the circles given down carefully. So if they write here 9, they have to circle 9 here. If they write here 1, they have to circle 1 down to that. They write here 0, they have to bubble down 0. In this, whatever the number they are writing in the square, same number they have to circle in the circle, bubble in the circle down to that. So let us instruct our friends who are going as invigilator to the examination to check this first of all. So after checking this, only they have to give their signature here. If it is done for one or two examinations, so that students will be habituated for this. And then they have to start answering this when you distribute the question paper. And even though the instruction might be here to use the pencil, let us instruct the students to use a black ballpoint pen strictly. Because if it is used here, pencil to bubble these circles, sometimes the bubbling done by pencil may not be taken by the OMR scanner. So students may lose marks there even though they fill correct answers. So to avoid that inconvenience to the students, let us instruct them to use block ballpoint pen compulsory in the examinations. Okay, this is about OMR sheet. So by default there will be 75 questions for answering here. If their question paper, if they have only 50 questions, they'll bubble 50 question answers. They'll leave the remaining all. If they have 68, they'll leave, they will answer till 68. Based upon their question paper number, they'll answer in this. They will leave the remaining all empty here. And question papers also, as I told, we are going to send you printed question paper for all the examinations. So question papers will be given like this. Even though we have given the books, maths and science separately, question paper will be given maths, science together for 100 marks. Maths will be given for 50 marks, you can see here. And science will be given for 50 marks. Maths and science together for 100 marks we are giving here with 1 hour time. There will be 20 questions from each subject. So 40 questions totally. For each correct answer, they are giving 2.5 marks. So 40 questions with 100 maximum marks. You can see here mathematics having 20 questions which are taken directly from their practice sheets. So these all will be familiar to the students. But of course, they may not give directly as these questions which are there in the practice sheet. Same type of questions they will take here and they do small changes in the questions like numerals changes, options bubbling, and concept twisting. In this way, they may do some changes, but all questions will be in the similar way which they have done in the practice sheet. So here no, there is no complexity. All choose the correct answers. If they choose correct answer, if they bubble in the OMR sheet correct answer, they will be given 2.5 marks for every correct answer. So 50 marks from mathematics, 50 marks from biology, science in the sense. And if they can check their chapter also on which they are going to write examination. So test one is on the numbers from mathematics, on the living and non-living things on the from the science. So in this way, question paper will be given. Students they have to answer in the OMR sheet. Once if the OMR sheets are sent back to us after completion of examination through to the address which we have given, immediately correction also will be done. We'll do correction through OMR scanners and we'll generate the results and we'll forward it through school mail ID which you have given us. There you can see class wise results like this for every child. So it will be given ID number, student name and their class, and subject wise marks will be given here. Out of 50 marks, how many marks a particular student secured. From 7 subjects, how many they secured, total marks they have secured, and a class rank. In our school, in our class, what is the rank of particular student, you can see here. And when compared with the students of particular class, overall state in the same program, we will generate state rank also. And the next one more column will be here that represents number of students in the overall state with the same marks. So here the students they have secured 60 marks out of 100. So with the 60 same 60 marks, there are 68 students in the overall state. And the last column represents position of the student, means how many students are there with the better marks than him in the overall state. For suppose here if you see this particular student with the mark with the position 1036, that represents there are 1035 students with the better marks than him in the overall state. 1035 students are with the better marks, that means more than 60 marks in the overall state. Okay, with this complete analysis, we will send you the report to the school mail ID. Once if we check and say okay, we will send parent SMS also. So this parent SMS will be briefly like this. First, school name will be displayed in the SMS, and then student name, their ID number, and their class, and a test number, what is the particular test it is, and there subject wise marks. Of course, if it is IIT examination, subject wise marks will be there. If it is Olympiad examination, maths and science marks will be displayed here, and their total marks, class CR represents class rank, and then state rank, position of the student. These all will be given in the SMS in the short form. So this parent SMS will be sent only with your permission. School will send the results to the school mail ID when you immediately after receiving OMR sheet. Hardly within 24 hours we are going to send. If it is delayed, most probably within 48 hours we will send results to the school through mail. So if you once if you check and say okay, then immediately we will send parent SMS also with your permission. So after completion of examination, if you ping us in the WhatsApp group, we are going to share you the examination key also. For every examination, we keep the key and solutions also ready for every question. So once the examination is completed in our school, immediately if you intimate us through WhatsApp group, we can share you the key and solutions related to that examination also. Even in that also, if we have any objections, you can immediately intimate us so that we can rectify those. And as we intimated you, there is an app with the name Aims India. So there we have added our teachers as well as students in different groups. For teachers, we provide there in the app key and solutions, examination schedules, and these all. And for students, for there will be videos and online examinations. So in the test column for students, they can attempt online examinations when we conduct. Apart from these 12 printed offline examinations with the question papers and OMRs, we often conduct online examinations also. So that will be priorly intimated you in our school group. So the same we can convey to the students also, as there is going to be some examination coming Sunday on these particular chapters. So in that way, if intimate the students at the in the holidays, they can attempt these examinations through mobile app, and we upload our videos in the videos column related to this Olympiad program. Students they can watch these videos at their convenient time for reference for revision work. It will be helpful to them. And if still we have any doubts or queries regarding this program, we can contact us at these contact numbers. If it is regarding administrative work, this is our office number. You can call us at this number. And if we have any subject-wise doubts, math, physics, chemistry, biology, you can save these numbers, which we have shared in our WhatsApp group also, subject-wise. We can call on these numbers in the working hours, 9 to 5 on our working days. So if it is a subject, if it is mathematics, you can save this number. And in your free time, you can call on this number so that they will respond you and they can discuss with the R&D team here regarding a particular concept or a doubt or question, whatever it is there. So by the time you go to the classroom, you will be having complete clarity on the concept which you are going to teach. And at the same time, already I told you we have created one WhatsApp group. In that, from our side, our R&D team is there, and from your side, your management as well as our teachers who are handling this program in the school are there. We can communicate to the group also whatever it is required there. Key and solution if we want. Already we have shared in our group WhatsApp groups key and solutions. If you miss those, you can ping there as please share key and solutions of so and so subject. immediately will share you. So there is a team to support you for the complete academic year. Whatever the problem or whatever the necessity you have, if you share through our WhatsApp group, we'll immediately respond you. Thank you.